Hey, this is Steve, product specialist here at 1000bulbs.com, and whether you're working in new construction or have a need to retrofit your commercial building, there's not a better long-term and economic solution to replace those fluorescent fixtures than with a PLT Solutions flat panel fixture like you see here. So whether you're starting from the ground up or remodeling your commercial space, today we're going to show you just how perfect this versatile fixture is for you. The PLT Solution panels offers you two options to select from. We have what's called the static. You can get the static panels in the 1x4, a 2x2, or a 2x4 selection. The static simply means that you're going to select one color temperature. So in the 2x4s, you can have 4,000, 5,000, or even a 3,500K, where the 1x4 and the 2x2s are simply going to offer you a 4,000 or 5,000K option. If you want to keep color options open, then PLT Solutions definitely has what you need. You now have the added luxury of choosing from an option of colors as well as the option of light output. That's right, these are essentially 9 fixtures in one. Each fixture has 2 easily accessible switches that allow you to opt for 3,500K, 4,000K, or 5,000K. Likewise, you can choose from 3 wattages as well. And you may need to mount these fixtures to either a surface, or you may want to recess that into the surface, and we have options for that as well. You can find the surface mount kits, which will help you actually mount these flush to the surface, or a flange kit, which will help you recess this into the surface, making it look almost like a grid ceiling in the first place. So no matter which product you decide to go with, they're all going to share some of the same attributes. Each is going to have a 120 to 277 volt LED driver installed, which will allow you to mount these in any situation. These drivers are dimmable with any 0 to 10 volt dimmer. Are you worried about yellowing lenses? With these PLT Solution flat panels, you don't have to. Each fixture comes with a PMMA lens, which stands for polymethyl methacrylate acrylic lens. They're extremely durable. You don't have to worry about them shattering at any point. And they have all the non-yellowing attributes that you need. And finally, these fixtures are all DLC rated, so you know that they've met the standards for lumen efficiency and color quality. If you have any questions or would like to make a purchase, give one of our knowledgeable lighting experts a call at 1-800-624-4488 or visit us at 1000bulbs.com. Don't forget to click the like button if this is valuable for you. And for more lighting product spotlights, tips, and education, please hit that subscribe button too. You can even turn on notifications by clicking the bell so you'll know exactly when we upload new content. We'll see you next time.